back to another And Strike Back video. In this video, which is part 2 of the speedrun for levels 1 through 10, I'm going to be running levels 11 through 20. So, let's get started. This level is harder just because it's like an ocean and then these are the little islands. But some of the islands, they go down really fast. So it's harder to do anything you wanted to do. And then also just a little tip. You see like the chest and the boat. There's nothing special in either one. I did check those out. Nothing special is in there, so do not waste your time. I just recommend that because you're based on like how much time you're taking. And then this is the part that I just passed. Those were really, I would say they were pretty hard because it was a lot of small islands and it gets hard to do that. Okay, so 11 beat level 12, and I've actually never gone this far. It's not because I'm bad or anything. It's just that, you know, after a while it does get boring. You lose it loses its fun, basically. Okay, this level is pretty hard, especially that first part, because you're running really fast, and so it's hard to catch up. See? And I don't know what just happened. So the next video I will be doing is the moon dimension, or whatever it is. I have not checked it out because in this video I just started. Use the code MOON. Go to redeem code, use the code MOON. And then what happens is that you just, I don't know what happens, but when you put the code in, you go and you unlock the moon dimension. I have not been there yet though. And see, as you can see, this is really hard because you have a bunch of really like L-shaped obstacles, and the thing is that you're running so fast, when you're trying to move sideways, you often move off the cliff. So, okay, we will see. This is level 12. You guys just better be careful for this one because this one's hard. So let me take my time. Jump on this one. Okay. And then this, oh, that's oh my god, these are like slanted. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. Yeah. Watch these. I would, yeah, watch out for these. These are, very, very weird. Okay. So, as you just saw, we had a little confusion. These little things, I guess you're not supposed to go on them or something. Oh, no. Yeah, I guess you're not supposed to go on them or whatever because they just lead up. And I don't know where that takes you, but it is very strange. It was confusing. We're just flying. And there's my arm, there's my leg, there's my head. So yeah, I would say this level is the first level that is really hard. Because, look, there's that L again. And this is really, look how slanted this is. And then, I guess I want to see when you go up, what happens. Okay, that's like you just end. Okay, so then apparently, you go on this. And then you go up here. This over there, and then here, and then yeah, these are very, very slanted. Oh, and very thin. So I would say that take your time on this level because this level is very hard. Okay, level 13. This one's easier. if you know what you're doing, because like look at this, if you don't know what you're doing, then when you turn to go onto the broken bridge, if you turn to go on the parts, then you'll just go into the water, and yeah. And this one also, it's not very slanted. The only thing is that you can like miss some, you don't have to jump on all of the blocks. But it is very hard. Like, it's 5 minutes. I've only done 3 levels, which I mean is pretty good for a beginner, but like this is what I'm talking about. If you're turning, because you run really fast, if you're turning and you don't know, like you're just gonna go in this pit, and then you have to restart. So this is another one. It looks easy, but you should take your time. Okay, so jump there, up here. Try to go on the biggest pieces of bridge you can see, because then it's very easy. See, I just skipped that bridge part, because I didn't need to go. It would have been just an extra block. Okay. Okay. 14. Ooh. What I love about this game is that the environment of it is really cool. Like, I've never thought of this background before. It's very interesting. Oh, but it is also hard. And basically the tip to just mastering every level is just to take your time, and then if you take your time, you do it with tender loving care, then you can pass. You just have to make sure you're going on each block, because you don't just randomly, you just keep on jumping, you're gonna miss. So stop at the edge, jump, but make sure you know where you're going. That was a tricky one, because there's a big block in your way, and so you have to go around it. But you can miss, and then you just go into the blackness. Yay. Level 15. Oh. Yeah, this is also another hard one, because there's more bridge, and as you just saw, I turned too much, and then I just fell. You have to be very careful on this one. Okay. Yeah, on this bridge, you just gotta be very careful. Stop before you jump. Now, you probably are thinking, well, you know, I can just do this all in one. It'll take less time. But if you realize you do it sloppy, and then you miss, and then you keep failing, and it's gonna take more time than if you just stopped and did it neatly. Oh, this one is cool. These are like the little chips in a computer. Again, take your time. We jump on this one. We jump on this one. This. There. Don't jump on that high one that I just jumped on, because it was an extra block. Okay. So it looks like I'm just gonna be going to level 17, because it is very hard. I thought I could do it, but you know, life doesn't always turn out as planned, which makes life interesting. Okay. Okay, so this is hard. Oh no! Well, I guess we'll just end it there. Bye guys! Hope you enjoyed the video.